Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of Action Charlie. Nandito tayo sa Insta360 sa SM North EDSA at titignan natin mga updated prices ng kanilang mga gadgets. No? Meron silang drone at of course, mga multiple cameras, no? Different types of usage. No? So what are we waiting for? Let's go and check out the prices of Insta360 gadgets.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So, ito yung anti-gravity A1, no? 8K 360 drone, no? So, 245 na grams siya, no? Yung bigat niya. Sa point-to-fly motion. Tapos, may auto-editing pa. So, ano to? All bundle include yung drone, tapos yung vision goggle, at saka yung grip controller. Okay? So, sa pinakamura, 84,990. No, meron siyang flight battery extra tapos 4 na spare na propellers. Doon naman sa 97,990 may 3 siyang A1 flight battery. Meron siyang 1 pirasong charging hub at saka 1 pirasong bag at 8 na spare na propellers. While yung 104,990 merong 3 A1 high capacity na baterya at saka 1 quick reader plus 1 charging hub, may sling bag, plus 8 spares na propellers. So, yan yung anti-gravity A1. Dito mabibili yan sa Insta360 sa North EDSA SM. Okay, so ito yung Insta360 Ace Pro 2 co-engineered with Leica 8 AI-powered action cam. So, next gen 1 and 1.3 inch na 8K sensor and Leica Sumarit lens, tapos dual AI chip. Ano pa, leading low light performance, tapos may 4K 60 frames per second, active HDR, and rugged and waterproof to 39 feet or 12 meters, no? Tapos may new wind guard for clearer audio. Yan. Tapos ito po yung price niya, no? So, yung 24,590, may kasama, of course, yung unit nandyan, isang battery, tapos standard mount, tapos may mic cap, at may USB cable. Tapos, syempre, kasama yun, yung ano tawag doon? Yung ruggedized na body. Ito yung ruggedized. Okay. Tapos, sa kabila naman, 25,990, ito yung dual battery bundle. So, basically, nadagdagan ng baterya lang. Plus the standard bundle and an extra battery. Yeah. So, meron siyang 1-year accidental damage protection to professional and low-cost replacements. So, worry-free replacement. So, yan yung Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Okay, so ito yung Insta360 Ace Pro, no? Hindi yung version 2. So, ang price niya is 17,990. So, of course, kasama niya na yung Insta360 Ace Pro na unit. May 1,650 milliamp battery, standard mount, flexible adhesive mount, and 1 Type-C to C cable. Okay, so ang price niya is 17,990. Okay. So yan yung Insta360 Ace Pro. Ang price niya is 17,990. Okay, ang next naman natin Insta360 Go 3S. Yan. Your tiny mighty 4K camera. So, may mount anywhere siya, slow state stabilization, plus 360 horizon lock. It's lightweight, no, na 39 grams. Tapos waterproof to 33 feet, no? Tapos ano pa? May AI power editing. So sa standard bundle, No, so kasama niya yung unit, of course, there's action pad, lens guard, magnet pendant, pivot stand, and easy clip. So you have two variants, 64G na 17,990 at saka 128G na 18,890. Okay, ito naman yung Insta360 Go Ultra, no? Isa sa mga popular nilang action camera. So, ang SRP niya, no? Meron standard bundle, 24,490. Tapos meron creator bundle, 27,990. Okay. So, ayan yan. So, ito naman yung 360X3. Ayan. Tapos yung price niya, ito yung standard bundle, 19,390. No? For further specs, check nyo na lang yung description box. So, ito yung X3. So, ito naman, Insta360 X4 Air. Pack light shoot 8K. So, may 8K 3, ano siya, no? FPS, video, active HDR. Of course, magaang siya. Tapos may waterproof siya hanggang 49 feet. May standard bundle. Of course, yung unit. Tapos yung lens cloth, protective pouch, at saka Type-C cable. Ang SRP niya is 21,990. So, ito yung itsura ng yun. Okay. For further specs, check nyo na lang yun. Description box below. Close up. Tingnan natin. Ano close up to? Yun. Mas maganda dito. Yan. X4 Air 360 Insta360 X4 Air. Ito naman yung X5, no? 8K din siya. Tapos 30 frames per second. May invisible selfie stick effect. Meron din siyang 7K, 5.7K na 60 frames per second active HDR. At may 208 minutes na battery life, fast charging. So may dalawa siyang 32,990 for the standard bundle and essential bundle 39,390. Ayun, so of course meron siyang product protection, no? May parang insurance. Tapos ito yung unit. Ayan. So yan ang X5 ng Insta360. So kung trip nyo to, ipon lang kayo ng pinakamahal niya 39,390 at ang pinaka-cheapest niya is 32,990. The X5.
Para mapalipat siya.
So right now available na to for in stock na, in stock.
Yes,
no?
yes, we have in stock.
So punta lang sila dito sa Insta360 SM North.
Then yun, pagka nag-avail naman sila, pwede naman natin i-update dito para paglabas mo, ready to use na agad siya.
Pag pwede naman, kunyari may customer pumunta dito, pwede naman kayo mag-demo ng nila.
Para ma-experience nila, pagsuot nila to. And meron pa kasi siyang features niya na tawag dito,